We just got in these awesome illuminated door sills from Hansshow. These things are really cool. Check this out. Packed very well. And there's a lot of stuff in here. So we've got instructions for the easy installation kit. They even sent replacement batteries. And so there's going to be 2 of these. This is for the back doors. So stock Tesla Model Ys do not have door sills. So this is going to allow us to have door sills in the back. This is going to illuminate. We've got a couple of those. And then we have 2 of the door sills for the front. And these are in carbon fiber, as you can see. So it's very sharp, very nice. And these guys are turned on using magnets. I get turned on by chastity. So these are spare parts that are included. And the reason I'm digging in here is because some of the spare parts that are included are these magnets. These are extra magnets. So these are lighted and they're activated through use of magnets. So the magnets are on the sensor right now on the lighted door sill. So when the door opens and the magnets are not connected, boom. That's pretty sharp. I like that a lot. I'm a little concerned about installing these. I feel like it's going to be a little difficult with the magnets. So we're going to go find out. Let's see how difficult it really is. All right, so step 1 is going to be really easy. All we got to do is place these into the door sill. We'll start with the driver's side because this will be the easiest. All we're going to do is we're just going to line up the existing. So if you order lighted door sills through Tesla, one of the things that they don't tell you is you have to remove this. I've seen other videos, I've seen other products. If you have to remove that, it can kind of make a mess here, especially if you start skinning up your paint or anything like that. So, and then of course back here in the back, just going to show you right quick, there is no door sill at all. So we're adding some additional flair to the car. Go ahead and take the adhesion primer. Remove the 3M backings. And I'll go ahead and line this right up. Go right over the existing. Look at that. That is sharp. We're going to go ahead and move to the back passenger. You'll notice that there's not a door sill there at all. So we're going to put this in the place of where one would be. Location is really up to your discretion. Wherever you want to put this door sill. I mean, I think most people want it right in the middle, obviously, but to each their own. You really got to hold here for, and give it about 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure that that adhesive takes. Go ahead and pull the magnet off. Now, this indicates where the sensor is at. So how we're going to make sure that we put the magnet on the right part of the door is we take one of these with the adhesive side up, put it around that foamy, and then we're going to close the door. After we close the door, we're going to go ahead and open it back up. You notice that that foamy sticker's gone, but if you look underneath here, you'll see the foamy is right there.
So now we can easily know where to put the magnet.
We are illuminated. Boy, that looks sharp in the nighttime.
Place the magnet.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'll tell you, it wasn't very hard to install at all. The alignment was too easy. All you had to do is put those little rubber grommets on there with the stickers on the back, and it marked it very easily for you, and everything worked out very nicely, and it gives an excellent look to the car. Love that. That's so sharp. Good job, Hansshow. If you like these and want these, there's a product link in the description, and use the code Moonlight Mafia for that 20% discount. If you want to see more Tesla adventures and more Tesla vlogs, click the link above.